Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad that you're watching. If you're new here, my name is Mtalii, and on this channel we are all about how to make money online, legit ways to make money online, how to work from home, and remote working so you can be able to afford the travel lifestyle. Once in a while you will also see videos about my travels around my country Kenya and different parts of the world. So if these kinds of videos sound interesting to you, then please hit the subscribe button below, and once you have done so, please remember to hit the notification bell as well, so that every time I shoot a new video you will be the first person to know. So in today's video I'm going to share with you the 4 different ways that you can make money first on the internet. So this is a question that many people have been asking me, Eva, how can I make money online? Yeah, so the number 1 way you can make money online, so I wrote the different steps here on my notes, so I'll keep referring to them. So the number 1 way that you can make money online, whether you're based out of Kenya or based out of Africa, Europe, United States, anywhere in the world, as long as you have internet, is by selling products. And when I talk about selling products, you can either sell your own products or you can sell products of other people, and this is what we call e-commerce or electronic commerce. You sell products through the internet, and the kind of products we are talking about, physical products as well as digital products. So in my case, for instance, I have what they call an Etsy shop, whereby I sell African curios as well as handmade baskets. And if you're interested in how you can start your own Etsy business, especially if you're based out of Kenya, then make sure to check this video up here where I break down all the steps. I have about 6 videos on that playlist that break down for you the entire process from selecting what products to sell all the way to the best shipping method that you can sell. So other than physical products that you can sell on the internet, you can also sell digital downloads. So for example, if you are a yoga teacher, for instance, and you want to sell your videos to other people, you can sell them the videos that they can download. And then you can also sell courses. If there's anything that you know better than the average person, then you can make money online by selling it, right? Okay, so the number 2 way that you can make money online is by selling your time. Yeah, so we mentioned number 1 is selling a product, but you can also make money online by selling your time, and there are different ways that you can sell your time. So for example, you can offer consulting services. So for example, I have been getting a lot of requests recently, people asking me to mentor them so that they can start either working online or starting businesses online, and that is something that I'm still considering. So let me know in the comments below if this is something that you'd be up to. If I started offering mentorship services, if that's something that you'd be interested in. And I'm thinking the best way that I would do this is through YouTube live videos, so let me know in the comments below. You can also sell if let's say you're a freelance writer, you can sign up on platforms such as Upwork.com, you can sign up on platforms such as Fiverr.com, and then you exchange your time for money. So for example, whether it's writing an article, writing a blog post, whether it's web development, it doesn't matter, whether it's your Swahili services, translation, transcription, whatever it is, you sell your time on the internet. And if that is something that is of interest to you, you can also check this video up here where I share with you the different ways in which you can sell your time on the internet. Okay, so when it also comes to selling your time, you can also sell your knowledge. So for example, what I'm doing right now, I am shooting YouTube videos. I'm shooting videos and posting them on YouTube, and then once in a while you're going to get advertisement in the middle of a video, and if you watch that video, then YouTube is going to pay me a commission. So that is one way that you can sell your time and make money online. And if you're interested in starting your own YouTube channel, then you definitely want to check this video up here where I break it down for you, the step-by-step process of how you can start a YouTube channel, and I also share with you in this other video why you need to start a YouTube channel today. Okay, The number 3 way that you can make money online is by through affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is basically whereby you promote another person's services or product, and when your audience or whoever you promote that service to purchases, then the owner of that product or service will pay you a commission, and usually this happens at no extra cost to whoever has bought that service through either your link or through either your text. So for example, in my case, I am a travel blogger and I shoot travel videos. So most of the affiliate products that I promote are travel related. So for example, we have the website booking.com, which pays you a commission when somebody books through your link. We have my web hosting platform, which is Bluehost.com. That's the one I've been using for my blogs all the way when I started from my first blog in 2009 all the way until today. I have been using Bluehost.com. And if you're interested in finding out how you can make up to $130 US per sale in affiliate commissions, then you want to check this video up here where I break it down for you step by step how you can start your own Bluehost affiliate marketing service, or sorry, how you can join the Bluehost affiliate marketing program. Other affiliate marketing programs that I've found to work for me is Airbnb, and the beauty with Airbnb is because it has almost 3 different affiliate programs. So there's the host referral affiliate program, whereby Airbnb pays you up to $100 US for every host that you refer, and the host sets up their house or their apartment or property on the Airbnb platform and actually gets their first paying customer, and they pay you up to $100 US for every host. And then Airbnb will also pay you for referring your friends, your family, your relatives to book an apartment or a property on Airbnb. So this is definitely a program that you may want to check. And then Airbnb has what they call Airbnb experiences, where, for example, if I'm a great cook or I'm a great painter, then I can share this experience with other people. And if I as an Airbnb affiliate promote this product, then Airbnb will pay me some money or a little commission. The number 4 way that you can make money online is through advertising. So how do you make money through advertising? So number 1, if let's say you have a digital platform, a digital space, like in my case, I have my YouTube channel. I also have my Mtalii.com blog. So once in a while, different brands will approach me and they want to put up an advertisement on my website. So at that point, I will share with them and I will sell to them advertising space. Alternatively, you can sign up on programs such as Google AdSense, and through the Google AdSense program, you can either put the AdSense advertisements on your website, or alternatively, if you meet the eligibility requirements as a YouTuber, then you can also have Google AdSense put advertisements in your videos, and if your viewers watch those videos, then you make money. So well, that's it for today in terms of how you can make money online. Let me know in the comments below what you think. If there's any of those methods that you want me to dig deeper into, then I'll be happy to do so. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for staying up to the very end, and I'll look forward to meeting you on the next video.